We're at Flamingo Land. Whoop, whoop. We're at Flamingo Land.
Yay!
Oh, we've had a lovely morning riding sick, haven't we? Just in the background there.
Indeed, we had ERT, so extra ride time on that, so please check that video out.
Yeah, make sure you check it out. And a little spoiler, really good.
It was really good.
Really good, really enjoyed that. Fantastic. Right, I think we're going to enjoy the rest of our day in the park now, aren't we?
I think we are.
Yeah, first time in Flamingo Land. I think there's plenty to do, isn't there, to be honest?
There is, it looks like there's loads and the weather is mwah.
Lovely. So I think we're going to go on this one first.
Oh.
Not too sure what it's called, but I think it's like a motorbikey one, like Hagrid's.
Yeah, like Hagrid's, yeah. It's
so
supposed to be really good.
I think, oh no, that's Hero over there, isn't it? There's too many different
Yeah,
coasters.
there's too many.
We'll find out. Velocity. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh well, we'll give it a go. Woo woo. Excited now?
I am excited. It looks really cool.
It's really good, doesn't it?
Yeah, they're like little motorbikes.
Little Trons.
Yeah.
Tron cycles. That's safe, isn't it?
That is really cool.
I'm going to win the race though.
No, I'm going to win.
No, I don't know.
I'm going to win.
No. 10 to 1. Velocity then, what did you reckon?
It was fun, but it was a little bit uncomfortable, I'm not going to lie.
It was, wasn't it? It's quite fast though, quite enjoyed it.
It was very fast, it was fun. It's just the restraints are weird, because you're like...
With your legs like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit of a strange one.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it though.
So, if you've got chunky legs like me, it might hurt a bit.
Yeah. But, to be fair, it's in my back actually. But I did enjoy it, it was quite good. It was fast,
it was
I
fun,
enjoyed
and that's
it.
the whole point, isn't it?
Yeah, Tron from which?
Yeah.
Oh wow, so we're having a nice little morning, aren't we?
We are.
We enjoyed our 2 little coasters, check out the sick video. But look what we've been given out.
Some
fast passes. So we are on here on the Love to Explore social. Thank you, Myk and Stacey, for organising this.
Yeah.
And yeah, we've got some fast tracks. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
So we got 4 each.
4 each, and I think there's like a few coasters over there we can do with them, isn't there?
Yeah, there is.
We'll definitely get our use out of them. No, that's really nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, really enjoy it. So we're gonna have to use it on sick again, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
Definitely. But no, we're gonna enjoy the rest of the day. What would you like to do next, Dav?
I really want to do Hero.
Hero. That's over there somewhere, I think. I'm not too sure.
And that one there, that orange and black one I want to do as well.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what it's called.
No, we're not too good at the names, are we?
No.
We'll find out though. 6 the best way far.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna do Hero, Ev.
Yay.
Who's your hero?
That's a good question.
That's a good question, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bianca?
I'll have to think about that.
Mine's Superman.
Is it?
No, it's Spider-Man. That's a pretty strange looking ride, that is that.
Strange. You're literally lying down.
And you want us to go on that?
Yeah.
Oh dear. I suppose we will be a bit like Superman, won't we, to be honest?
Definitely will. Arms out.
Oh dear. Well, it's going to be an interesting one.
Yeah.
Shall we give it a go?
Go on then.
You're my hero. You seen that, Ev?
Oh my god, you literally like stand. It's weird.
I
Isn't
don't
it?
like the look of that.
That is cool, that is.
I'm actually a bit nervous, I think.
I'm a little bit nervous,
Yeah.
actually. Oh.
There's too
nervous
many
about
scary things. No? You know why? Because I'm not going on it. So weird, aren't they?
They are.
Well then, what did you think?
That was weird.
Hero.
That was so strange.
You need to be a hero, go on that.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh dearie me.
I don't think I liked that ride.
I did not like that ride. That is the worst ride I've ever been on.
It was very uncomfortable, like when you're lying flat. It's just weird. That was weird.
It felt like being in like an NFL helmet.
Helmet. Yeah, that's exactly what
Did not like that at all.
Because you have the cage in front of you.
It was disgusting.
Yeah. It's that silly cage that made me feel a bit claustrophobic.
Yeah, I just didn't enjoy that. But we've done it.
We've done it,
We've
yeah,
done it.
exactly.
Never again. Oh my days. How tall is that, Ev?
I know. I can't wait to go on that.
I can't wait to get a picture of you from down here.
Oh. Hopefully you'll do a good picture. I will
Hopefully
do
so.
a good picture.
Yeah, between us.
Yeah.
Teamwork.
Yeah.
Then we'll charge a £5. Only joking. But you're getting on the drop tower with the group?
Yeah.
You going on? Find a friend? Cliffhanger. Oh, it's just going up now. Enjoy. So we're going to leave you with a cliffhanger because we're not going on just yet, are we?
Not just yet.
No, I think we've all made the wise choice, haven't we? We said that's too scary.
It's not scary.
So let's go on this thing with a over 100-degree drop on it.
Mumbo jumbo.
Mumbo jumbo? Flambo jumbo?
Flambo jumbo.
Can't get away, can we?
No.
It does look a bit scary, that does though, doesn't it?
Drop, which is going to be interesting.
I know, it is going to be, you know, look at that, it's a bit crazy, isn't it? You ready for it, guys? Whoa! Looks very fun, doesn't it?
Does.
Right, should we give it a go then?
Come on then.
Mambo Jumbo. Mumbo Jumbo.
Yeah, mumbo jumbo.
Oh, you ready? It's only 10 minutes, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's not too bad. We'll
It's
just
not
save
too
that
bad
fast track,
at all.
can't we then? Oh, go on with that big group. Ooh, it does look good though, doesn't it? Quite intense that looks actually, quite steep. It seems to tilt around the tracks, aren't it? You can tell that, guys. Ooh, should be an exciting one.
Yeah.
Wow, have
Wow.
Mumbo Jumbo.
Yeah. That was really fun, but my goodness.
Terrifying.
Yeah, it's terrifying. It's very rough, and the restraints are so weird.
I know, they're really strange, like half over the shoulder and half across your lap.
Yeah, and it was a little bit painful there, but it was fun.
It was fun. I did like the first drop. That was really good, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
that was really
Yeah.
good.
Someone kept screaming on our train though. I'm not sure who it was.
I don't know who it was.
No, must have been Ollie.
Yeah.
That was a neck snapper and a half. Damn, oh my god.
You're on the old flip flop, are we?
We are.
It's a bit like a little maelstrom thing, isn't it?
Flippity flop. Yeah.
Yeah, it should be alright, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
It's quite small.
Should be fun.
Yeah, we're on a really nice day, aren't we?
We are.
It's so sunny, it's like crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's boiling.
Boiling hot.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah, very nice. Well, we'll see how this one rides then, shall we? So we just done our
Flip flop.
flip flop. It was actually really good, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it was. It was very relaxing.
Yeah, it was like, was it Rush or Zodiac or something at Thorpe Park?
Yeah, something like that. Maelstrom at Drayton.
That's the one, yeah. Quite slow, a bit slower though, wasn't it, this one?
Yeah, it was, but there was a lovely breeze because it's boiling hot today, and I thought it was quite relaxing.
Yeah, we had quite a long cycle, didn't we?
Yeah,
Got a
very
few
long
minutes.
cycle actually.
Yeah, well done, enjoyed that.
Yeah.
Go to next sector. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Zoom zoom.
Oh, it was a good one though, didn't it? There, look at that.
I think that was really fun.
It does look really good, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it does.
Oh, wow. Well, guess I was on then. Zoom, zoom. Did you have fun on that, huh?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, it was pretty cool actually, wasn't it? Zoom.
It was like a bit swayy.
Bit sway like
Yeah.
that, wasn't it? We went to Ibiza,
We did.
yeah, just for a flying tour. And now we're back in Flamingo Land. Yeah, I actually quite enjoyed that. It was really good,
Yeah,
wasn't
I
it?
did.
A nice little kiddie coaster there. Right, so yeah, we've done quite a lot to be honest this morning,
We
haven't
have, haven't we?
we? Yeah, I think we're going to do, is it that one over there? Kamali.
Marley later.
A bit later on, I think we've got something there, a little special for that.
Special thing planned, yeah.
So yeah, we're just going to have a nice chill, aren't we?
Yeah, I really want to do the pterodactyl, I think it's called.
Yeah, I think a lot of people want to do that.
Yeah.
I don't.
You're going to give that one a miss, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm going to make sure the floor's still here. Make sure we're all safe. But no, it's been a lovely day, Auntie. Thank you to Myk Stacey Love to Explore for organising this. We've had
Yeah,
loads
it's
of
been
fun, haven't we?
fantastic, yeah.
Yeah, fantastic. Right, more sunny, fun, filled, action-packed words.
Yay!
There's a dinosaur there, huh? Pterodactyl was terrifying. Get up there, Ev. Can you get up there?
Well, fun, yeah.
Oh dear. It's a bit high up, isn't it?
No.
Will you be alright?
I don't know.
You'll be alright.
I'll be fine.
Bye, Hev.
See you later.
See you later.
Have fun.
Have fun.
I will.
Be careful. Hello, mate. He does want your hot dog. He's going to eat that. Dry as well. I don't think you will. What did you think, Ev?
Yeah, that was really fun, that was.
Yeah, we saw you up there.
It was very windy at the top.
It looked it, to be fair.
And you do get a little bit dizzy.
Oh, I
But
don't
yeah,
know.
that was really fun.
Oh, you rode with the coasters when more then?
I did.
Well done. That was very good. I'm very proud of you, Ev. Well done for riding that.
Thank you.
I couldn't have done that. It's too scary for me. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Well, our next coaster, Ev, it's a Guinness World Record breaker.
Yeah, it is.
Well, kind of.
Not the coaster itself.
It's had the oldest person to ride on it. Just look at it like that. That's pretty cool.
5 years old and 0 days.
That's pretty cool, that is.
That is really cool.
If we're still riding coasters at 105, I think we've done pretty well.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, fair play to you, mate. Congrats. Ooh, pretty cool shop, Ev, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a pretty cool shop. And look at all these sweets.
Oh, very good. You got some mini geodes.
And they've got dweebs.
Dweebs.
Yeah.
You got geodudes here.
Oh.
Dragon rocks.
Yeah. That's pretty.
Oh, it's
I like
raspberry,
that.
isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a pretty cool shop, isn't it, there? Got all the dinosaurs appear at.
Yeah.
A little bit, yeah.
It's like the Disney store.
Dino Disney.
Adorable.
It's pretty good, isn't it? Yeah. I do like this.
I like this.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, look, he's adorable.
Dinosaurs. Oh, wow.
So cute. Oh, it's only $3.99.
That's not too bad, is it, at
Oh,
all?
I might have to get one for my bag.
Oh, I don't know what these are.
Little hedgehogs, weird ones.
That's a strange one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? Looks a bit.
Oh, dinosaur.
Twistosaurus.
Yay!
It's like a spinball, isn't it, there?
It is. Looks cool.
Yeah, it does look good, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Right, shall we give it a go then?
Come on.
Well, guys, we've broken down Twistosaurus. We've
Yeah.
brokest. We've had a cracking ride, haven't we?
Yeah, it was really good.
And we're just here. I mean, we're not far away.
No,
we could
just by the brake run.
we could probably jump down from here, couldn't we?
Yeah.
The engineer's on its way. He's going to release us, and we'll be set free. It's our first one. The bears have escaped.
We made it.
We did well, don't we?
Yeah.
We're off. Oh, that was so fun.
To the
Credit-
ops, they literally only took like less than 10 minutes.
Yeah, credit to the ops there. Well done.
Yeah.
Lovely guy.
Very nice. Oh,
You were in an egg.
I was. I've hatched.
You hatched. You hatched the egg. Oh, well, we've escaped Twistinator-tron
That was really fun.
thing. Yeah, it was good, wasn't it?
Yeah, and it made it even better that we did get stuck on it.
Yeah,
Made it
was
more fun.
Our first kind of like mini Eva.
Yeah.
Well, we've had a little mini one before, haven't we?
We have.
One day it's going to happen, isn't it?
It is.
Hopefully not on Oblivion.
No.
So we're on the hunt up, aren't we?
Yes, for a
For
dark
a
ride.
dark ride.
Is this scary?
What we're looking for, Zed?
This.
5 p.m. It's good.
Mischief Mansion.
Oh, Mischief Mansion.
Yes.
Oh, a mansion of mischief.
Emily.
No, that's a manor.
Oh yeah, of course.
Of course, yeah. There's no mischief there, is there?
Are you sure about
Pure
that?
fun
Oh
times
yeah, all right
at the
then.
manor. You're glowing.
Oh, am I?
Yeah. So we're in the mansion, aren't we?
We are.
Apparently, it's going to give Cursor on for its money.
Apparently so.
That's what Ben says.
Wow, I'll be having words with Ben if that's not true.
Well, it was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was actually really fun.
Yeah, I'm not too sure it's called. Mayhem Mansion.
Mischief
Mischief
Mansion.
Mansion.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't too bad.
No, it was cute.
Wasn't quite as good as Curtis, Ben.
No, definitely not. Nothing's as good
No,
as
I
Kiss.
think
but,
he was joking, to be honest.
yeah, but it was quite funny.
No, I quite enjoyed that for the kids as well. It's something,
Yeah.
isn't it? I would say they need a few more trains,
Yeah, definitely.
because there's only two. and
There
it's
is only
quite
two.
a long ride, isn't it?
Yeah. It reminded me of an extended version of the one that we did at Gulliver's.
Yeah, it did a little bit, actually.
Yeah.
No, I quite enjoyed it. It's family-friendly horror fun.
Proper ghost train.
Whoop, whoop. We had a little treat, Av.
Yeah, it's the biggest ice cream I've ever seen. It was only £3.
£3.25,
Yeah.
£6.50 for 2 of them. Look at them. That is
Number.
crazy, isn't it? Oh, mine's dripping quick, I bet it is. Wow. Well done, Flamingo Land. Like to see this at Towers, eh?
Yeah.
All these different flavours. Woo! Wow, so we've got something very special here now, haven't we?
Yeah.
We're going to ride Kamali front row.
Front row, yeah, I'm not looking forward to this ride.
Yeah, and the park have actually done this for us just for this our little group, haven't they?
Yeah, they
That's pretty cool. Were you a bit anxious for this one?
Yeah, it's going to be like Infusion.
Well, everyone's saying it's a bit better than Infusion. It can't be any worse. Wow, we did it, didn't we?
Yeah.
Kamali, koala, whatever you called.
I won't be running on that.
Going to bend
Again,
artists.
anytime
That was
soon.
horrible. I didn't like that.
Oh, it just hurts my ears and my head so much. It's just not my type of coaster. I just don't like. Say SLT?
SLC?
SLC or whatever
DLC.
it is. I don't know.
Needs something else. Anyway,
Yeah.
Needs some TLC. That's what it needs.
Exactly, needs some TLC.
Needs sorting out, doesn't it?
Needs ripping out.
No, to be fair, I don't think the coaster was that bad. It's just that slow all the way up
No,
there.
I
I
don't
just
like
couldn't.
it.
No.
No, not for me.
Not for us. Let's go back to Nemesis.
Yeah.
We've had a little rest after Kamali, haven't we?
Yeah, it gives me a headache, that ride.
You're just not a fan of them, right? I did not enjoy that, to be honest
I
myself.
don't like them at all.
No.
At all.
It's a bit of a strange one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But we've made it down to the front and we're going to Zanzibar Bazaar.
Bizarre.
If you want to check out what's in there,
Yeah.
check out the full video. Oh, we're going to end the day then, Ev?
Yeah, we're just going to run on sick.
On sick, a quick ride of sick to end the day. We've got about 2 minutes left, so it's going to be a close one, isn't
It
it?
is indeed.
Is it running? Hopefully.
I hope it is. It's not going to cry.
Well, we still got a couple of our fast tracks left, so we're going to get these used anyway, aren't we?
We are.
Right, let's get ourselves on.
Come on.
Sick the ride. We did it, Ev. We made it, didn't we?
We did.
We did. We
Just
got down here. Start with a rave, end with a rave.
I know, yeah.
Disco, disco. Right, so we ended on sick. Thank you. That was ace, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was warmed up from this morning, hasn't it?
Warmed up, it was flying around.
It
Wow.
was.
It's like Big Bob on fireworks. Really, this morning, weren't we?
Yeah,
Did you want that t-shirt while you were here?
I really like the t-shirt, do you?
That's nice.
It is nice, isn't it?
Just treat yourself, Ev, why not? You got your purchase, Ev?
Yeah, I did.
Your sick top.
Yeah. Oh, it's a
Sick.
little crop top.
Oh, is that not what you wanted?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Are you happy with that then?
Yeah, I am.
Oh,
Very.
that's ace, isn't it?
It's cute. Look at that in the back.
Sick, man. Oh, that says good, isn't it? Oh, did you enjoy your day, Ev?
I did enjoy my day, did you?
Yeah, I thought it was fantastic,
It was
to be
really good,
honest.
actually.
Really impressed with the park.
Yeah.
First time here, and you know what? I'd probably come again.
I'll probably come again too.
Yeah, very good. Well done, Flamingo Land. Wow, we've had a fantastic time here at Flamingo Land, haven't we? Ev?
Yeah, we really
Yeah,
have.
it's been a really good day. It's a brand new park for us.
Yeah.
We've got loads done.
We have.
Spent a full day of friends, haven't we? It's been amazing.
It really has.
Yeah, I've actually really enjoyed it, but we've not seen one flamingo.
No, we have.
That's our only downside of not seeing any flamingos.
I expected to see
Hundreds of them. No, we've had a fantastic day. Highly recommend
Yeah,
to come to
definitely.
Flamingo Land. We'll probably come here again soon, won't we?
We will.
Yeah, and sick was sick.
It was indeed.
We had to say it. But if you like this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe. We'll see you soon. Whoop, whoop.